Hello everyone, welcome to Semtech Hub. In today's video I want to show you guys how to get unlimited keys in your Hamster Kombat. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, then let me go to my Hamster Kombat and show you guys what I'm talking about, because Hamster Kombat has released a new feature, that is the Hamster Kombat keys. Okay, I'm talking about this. You can see I have 24 keys. Okay, let me click it for you guys to see. Yeah, I have 24 keys. Okay, and by default you need to ride this bike to get the keys. Okay, but I'll show you guys another way to get a lot of keys, like unlimited keys in your Hamster Kombat. Okay, right now I have 24 keys, so let me show you guys how to get the keys, the unlimited keys. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser, okay, and type fragment.com. okay, so this website belongs to Telegram. Okay, so fragment.com. yeah, then you click on stars, okay, then if you have a Ton wallet, I used Ton Keeper. Okay, so you can use any of the Ton wallet platforms. Okay, but I use Ton Keeper, so I'll connect my Ton Keeper to this Telegram fragment platform. Okay, so I'll click on the connect Ton, then I choose my Ton Keeper. Then I connect my Ton to the fragment.com. okay, so I'm done connecting my Ton wallet. Okay, so what we have to do now is to purchase some stars. Okay, and the stars are not expensive, you can purchase enough stars you want. Okay, so you first type in your username. Okay, so you go to your Telegram. Let me go to my Telegram. Okay, and this is my username. I'm using this, you see this promote USD, that is my username. Okay, so you first type in your username, your promote USD. okay, then you enter the amount of stars you want. Okay, so I want 50 stars, so I'll enter this 50 stars. Okay, then I'll scroll down and click on buy Telegram stars. Okay, so I'll buy the Telegram stars, and they said Semtech Hub, that's my name on Telegram. Okay, we'll receive a message with this. Okay, so I'll click on the buy stars, and it will open my Ton Keeper. Okay, so I'm done purchasing the stars. Okay, I'm done purchasing the 50 stars. You can see this is the 50 stars by Telegram. Okay, so when I'm done, I'll go back to my Telegram account. Okay, I'll go back to my Telegram account. Okay, I'll go back to my Telegram. This is my Telegram, normal Telegram account. Okay, then I search for get your keys. I'll search for get your keys _ bot. Okay, so this will appear, then I click on it. Yeah, then I click on the start button. Okay, so you can get a key for 20 stars. Okay, so we bought 50 stars. As you can see, we bought 50 stars, meaning we can get more keys. Okay, so I'll click on the start, then I'll click on the buy keys. Okay, so I'll buy the key with the stars I purchased. Okay, so they said payment will be made in internal Telegram stars. Okay, and the Telegram stars can be purchased through the Apple Pay or the Google Pay within the Telegram. Okay, so I'll click on pay, and it said I'll pay 20 stars to get one key. Okay, so I'll click on the 20 stars, and they say confirm your purchase. Okay, do you want to buy 1x bike hamster game in keyboards for 20 stars? So I'll confirm and pay. Okay, and they say I've successfully purchased the key, so I'll click on show the key. Okay, to review the key. Okay, so this is the key to the Hamster Kombat. Okay, so I'll tap to copy this key. Okay, so I've copied the key, then I'll go back to my Hamster Kombat game and redeem this key. So let me open my Hamster Kombat. Then I click on the key. You can see I have 24 keys. So I'm coming to redeem the code. This code. Let me go back. I'm coming to redeem this code. Okay, so that it will increase the keys to 25. So I'm coming to redeem it. So I'll first click on this. Then I paste in the key I copied. Okay, that's how I'll paste in the key. Then I click on redeem. And as you can see, it is success. Okay, success. So the promo code successfully applied and I have gotten 25 keys. Okay, so I've redeemed the key, this key. I redeemed this key. Okay, so if this video helps you to get more keys, get unlimited keys in your Hamster Kombat, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.